Okay, good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody, and a warm welcome to all of you to this webinar session. My name is Rupa Nitin. Yeah, the first thing which might have come to your mind when you received this invitation would be, I guess, it would be like, why bi-monthly webinar, right? Yeah. So see, there are like number of insurance policies which are available in the market, and there are n number of companies who are selling this insurance policies. And for example, if I want to buy a health insurance policy, I don't have much idea about the health insurance policy, so I exactly don't know where should I go, where which policy should I buy, and which is the company which is going to give me the best policy which is suitable for me. So keeping all this context in mind, we have designed a series of webinars where we will be discussing about the different type of policies in depth. So today's topic of discussion is Corona Kavach policy. So the question is, do we really need a Corona Kavach policy? We are already having a regular policy. Do we really need a Corona Kavach policy? So this is the topic of discussion. Okay. So I request all our participants to please keep your video on, and please keep yourself muted. And if at all you want to ask, or if you have any query, you can unmute yourself, and you can ask the questions. And otherwise, if you want to communicate something, there's a chat box out there. You can use that chat box. Okay. So most importantly, to make this session very interesting, we want all our participants to participate in the discussion. So let me quickly introduce the host of today's webinar. Okay, today we have Mr. Rajshekhar Malapuram with us. Mr. Rajshekhar Malapuram is a certified insurance specialist, and he is having more than 20 years of experience in this field. Mr. Rajshekhar sir, welcome sir.
Yeah, hi.
Link ಕಳಿಸಿನ್ ನೋಡು.
Okay.
Zoom call link ಕಳಿಸಿನ್ ನೋಡು. ಆಕಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಯಾಳ ಏನೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ.
Okay. I request everyone, like, first of all, thanks a lot on a day of festival. Like, I could see so many people who actually joined the webinar.
ಏನಲ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್.
Yeah. And I request all the people, like whoever is there on the webinar, to actually switch on your video, and then I request you to keep yourself in mute, so that whenever you want to say anything, you want to ask anything, you can always unmute and then you can ask. That gives a lot of pleasing hearings to everyone. So I request everyone. I see a lot of my known people who actually joined. I welcome you all on this festival day. And it's a good day for all of us to start some new thing. So this is the new venture what we have actually started in our quest to actually service the society. Okay, so most of the times we see in insurance there's a lot of confusion which goes on. Let me ask you two questions before we proceed. How many of you feel whatever policy it is, whether it is life insurance, car insurance, health insurance, it could be even your business insurance, how many of you really feel there is always a confusion? Raise your hands. Do you feel there is always a confusion in insurance policies? Can you please raise your hands? Yeah, I can see you. Yes. There is always a confusion in the policies, right? Okay. So my next question. So how many of you still feel, even though after doing all the research and everything, आपको इतना confidence आता है कि आप जब policy लेने के बाद भी you feel really confident? How many of you really feel confident? Do you really feel confident, or you feel always confused? There's still something which is hidden in the policies. Do you still feel like that? Do you feel right? Yeah, I could see your hands. Yes, raise your hands if you feel there is always something which is hidden. Right. Okay. See, there is your answer. Nothing new. This is something which is there with most of us, like now, who's now trying to purchase the policies with the insurance companies, right? And let me just tell you, let me just start sharing my presentation here. Oh yes, yeah. So this is the reason why we actually started off with this new webinar series to service the society and to get more, not just the policies as such, but beyond that, what is the kind of clarity and what is the kind of confidence that we can generate within the policy. Okay, and before that, let me also give you a declaration before we start off. The declaration here, whatever that we are going to do here, we want to be very sure and very frank and upfront with you. We do not represent any insurance company. We are not representing any insurance company here. We are representing the fraternity of the policy holders or in the insurance industry and discussing the challenges what we are actually facing. Okay, this is the agenda of this webinar series of Get More from Malappuram Rajshekhar. Okay, and we'll be discussing only on the issues related to insurance. No politics, no movies, no social sectors. The complete discussion will be only on insurance. Okay, and we are not intended to criticize, or we are not here to criticize any specific person or a specific organization. We are not going to do that in this particular webinar. Okay, and opinions discussed here are completely personal. Okay, and cannot be considered as a fact of evidence for any legal evidence under the court of law. So this is where we can actually discuss as a regular neighbors, as regular friends. We discuss on the situation. So this is the declaration what we want to do even before we go further. Okay, and coming to the today's topic, Get More from Malappuram, the first episode which we actually launched. It is on the Corona Kavach. This is the latest edition which has been done by the insurance regulator to all the insurance to the insurance industry, and the first of its kind. Never before it has been done. It's the first time they have actually done it as a short-term policy, short-term health insurance policy in the Indian insurance industry. Never it happened before. Okay, kudos to IRDA. They have actually turned up very well looking into the current situation, the current pandemic situation which has actually come in. Okay, and is it really required? Is this policy, the Corona Kavach, is it really required? So this is the topic on which we are going to focus for this meeting, and let's get into that. Okay, and before that, this is the 3-point agenda what we are going to do. Okay, and the first thing is we'll just touch upon the current pandemic situation of Corona, and then what is so unique about Corona Kavach. That's the second point on which we are going to discuss. And then the third one is the clarity for confidence. That's the bottom line. That's the theme of the entire webinar. So everyone who's in there, we will be getting some clarity, and we will definitely have a confidence in going further in taking any decisions regarding the issue on which we are going to discuss. Okay, so is it okay? Shall we go ahead? Can I hear someone? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. So let's look at a touch base on the current pandemic situation here. So this is the recent figure which we just downloaded from the website, wherein the US is actually topping the entire world, and then comes the Brazil, and then is India, and this is a chart on which, as a country, we never want to be number one. Do you agree? Yes, we really don't want to be number one on this. Okay, but the current situation is we are actually growing one by one. Like, no, we were somewhere on the 10th or 11th position very long back, and now we are in the 3rd position. Okay, so this is something which is really panic. Yeah, but now let me just share you something really positive. Okay, so the government of India actually it just published these details. The Indian scale. The total recoveries from the pandemic situation, from the corona disease, is over 2 million. Over 2 million. This is something which we should clap on that. Like I think kudos to all the things. Like probably the people are taking care of their health. They are actually eating good, or they're keeping their disinfection good. So these things are actually helping them out and recover fast. Okay, and this is something which is really good. The recovery rate is more than 73%. 73%. This is fantastic. Okay, so when 73% people, okay, when 73% people are able to recover so fast, do you really think we need to discuss about Corona Kavach? Let me just take this. Let me just take a poll on this. Okay, just launching a poll. You'll find your question on your screen. Okay, just type yes or no or maybe. Okay, when 73% people are actually recovering from the corona effect, okay, do we really see that do we need Corona Kavach policy? Great. I think yeah. Now the voting is actually increasing. Great, fantastic. I think 90%, 90, oh my God, I think it's now 100, I think it's almost 90% of the people have actually voted. There is only 10% of the people who have not voted. Can I see the remaining people who can actually vote on this question? Fantastic. So it is 100% of the people have actually voted. Fantastic. Okay, now let me just check. How many of you really want to see what is opinion poll? Do you really want to see this? Okay, I'll not make you stop here. Let me just publish the results what we have achieved. So are you able to see the results? Out of all the people who have actually voted, okay, 69% of the people still feel we need Corona Kavach policy. Okay, then that means it actually gives me a lot of relief, because this is the topic of the day. So if somebody says, if most of the people say no, probably we would have just closed the webinar and then we would have gone to continue with our festival, right? Okay, fine. Thanks a lot. I'm actually just taking a screenshot of this, and let me just continue further. Okay. So as everyone has actually told, like, it's actually about the Corona Kavach, which is actually required. One second. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, fine. Let me now just get into what is this Corona Kavach. I'll not go in deep into the policy. This is not a session wherein I'm going to teach about Corona Kavach. We are going to discuss on this particular product, and definitely we are actually discussing, we never try to discuss on a product of a particular company, because this is something which has been designed by the regulator, and it has been asked by the regulator to sell by all the insurance companies in India. So that's the reason we are actually taking up on this particular product. So this is not a particular company's product. This is something which is designed by the Insurance Regulator and Development Authority of India. Okay, and what are the unique things about this particular product? Okay, so there is a 15 days waiting period. That means today, if you take the policy, the coverage will not start immediately. It will start only after completion of 15 days. Okay, so this is the first thing. And the second thing is there is no room rent capping under this policy. That means if, say, suppose in a God forbid condition wherein we need to get admitted into the hospital, wherein probably the shared room is not there, the single standard is not there, and probably you may have to choose only the high-end room which is available in the hospital. Even then you can go ahead, because there is no room rent capping. So that means it gives you a lot of relief. You can choose. Whatever is available there, you can get into that. Okay, so this is number two unique proposition in this. And then third thing is home care treatment. This is something which is really unique. Okay, never before it was there. Okay, though there was a domiciliary hospitalization benefit which was available in different policies, but home care self-treatment is something which is so unique, because of the current situation of pandemic wherein most of the people are getting affected. All those people, and it seems like I was even discussing with a few of the doctors, they were saying 70 to 80% of the people can be actually cured at home. Okay, no need to really be panic and go and get admitted yourself into the hospital the moment you see the symptoms. It seems 30 of, I'm not a doctor, but seems what are the information that I got, I'm just sharing with you. it seems almost 30 to 40% of the people, they don't even show up the symptoms. Okay, so home self-care treatment is something which is so unique, wherein if the treatment is taken at home, wherein the complete treatment is being administered by the professional doctor, and wherein wherein it is prescribed by the doctor and it is administered by the doctor, and the complete charts and daily monitoring reports, everything is maintained, then this actually covers even those expenses. Okay, and another one, the Ayush treatment. I have actually yesterday one of a person has actually called up. He is actually basically from Hyderabad, but he has gone to this one, a place which is just outskirts Hyderabad. I'm actually not just remembering it. Wherein they have actually undergone the Ayurvedic treatment. Ayurvedic treatment, they got recovered themselves. Okay, so even those expenses can be covered under this policy. The optional benefit which is there, which is called as hospital cash. Hospital cash means you get admitted to the hospital, so per day, 0.5% of the sum assured. That means maximum 5 lakhs can be given under this policy. That means 2,500 rupees per day can be given as a cash benefit to the patient who got admitted to the hospital. So these are the unique things which are there, and this is only most of the things are only for Corona Kavach policy. Now, if you look into the challenges which are there, okay, the challenges are, see, it is not a one-year policy. It is a short-term policy. Short-term means it has actually, the regulator has given 3 options in that. It's a 3.5 month policy, then we have a 6.5 month policy, and then we have a 9.5 month policy. Okay, you can choose any of these 3 terms, and only Corona medical hospitalization or medical treatment which is administered by the doctor, and it is actually like proven as positive under the tested the authorized test. They only say that like there's a positive thing, only then it is covered. So if you have a pneumonia, we are actually recently getting a lot of cases wherein patient is, because the symptoms of pneumonia and corona are seems to be very similar. So I really don't know, I'm not a doctor, but still it says that like it is almost same, and people are getting panic and they're getting admitted to the hospital, not because they can't handle the pneumonia, but because of the panic situation which is there in the market. Okay, so they're really worried, so they're just getting admitted. So if the person is tested, and if the person is actually tested as negative, right, then this policy doesn't cover that. Okay, you should be happy like when it is negative, but the other side is like the policy doesn't cover the expenses. Okay, so and there is no renewal for this policy. You have taken a policy, that's it. Once it is end, it's end. Okay, and many of the people, even they're asking like, we have people who are more than 65 years old. My parents are there, my in-laws are there, my aunt and uncle, they stay with me, they are actually more than 65 years old. Can we actually cover them under this policy? No, we can't. So maximum only up to age of 65 we can be covered under this policy. So we have all these challenges. Do you still feel like we need to go for Corona Coverage policy? Okay, let me just take an opinion poll on this. Can you just check on this? We've just launched in a webinar in a poll here. Okay, so you can choose your answer. The challenges which are there under the Corona Coverage policy. Yeah, you can actually choose yes or no, and if you feel all those things are the relevant challenges which are there under the policy, you can select all of the above. And if you really feel there is a need for Corona Coverage policy, if there are so many challenges which are there, right? Okay. Now this is something really interesting. Now I'm actually looking at the polls. Okay, this is really interesting. People are just like racing across like, is it really required, is it not required? I can see a lot of confusion going on, but whatever is there in your mind, just don't think whether it's a right, whether it's a wrong. There are no marks which are given, there is no certificate which is given, so don't get worried. There is no right answer, there is no wrong answer. It's only your answer. It is only, and your opinion is always important to us, because that actually helps us to provide you the clarity and with which a confidence you can actually deal with your insurance requirements. Okay, great. Fantastic. I think now we have received more than 80% people have actually voted. I think still some more people are voting it. We will wait for another 10 seconds and then we'll close this poll. Yeah, if anybody is left out, they can actually do it. Okay, done. We are ending with the poll. Do you really want to see the results? This is something which is astonishing. Okay, I'm just sharing the results. Okay, raise your hands. Yeah. Are you able to see the results? Okay, many of the people you understood, like, no, it's all of the above. That means there are so many challenges are there, but still 63% of the people they still feel that we need this policy. So the percentage of coverage, the percentage of people who are saying yes, come little bit. Okay, fine. We'll see how the situation turns up by the end. Okay, now coming back to our presentation. Oh, yes, yeah. So coming back to our presentation, so there are a lot of challenges which are out there. There are a lot of USPs which are out there. Now this is the time for discussion. This is the time for discussion. So what is the clarity? You know, because there are many people. I could actually see in the audience, Mr. Sunil Chetlani is out there. Has my very good client. He has been with me, I think, since 2011. I think Sunil, were you with me from 2011? Sunil. Oh yeah. Oh, fine. I think he's having some challenges with his network. Fine. So there's so many people who have been asking me the clarity on. There's so many questions which have been asked, and we thought, like, no, and we just took only the top 5 questions which we received, and then we try to discuss on this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we are coming up to the clarity for confidence. So this forms the basis. If there are any more questions, we can still discuss provided the time is available. Okay. Right. So the first question, which most of the people have actually asked me, boss, you are saying so many things. It is good. We already have an insurance in place. But boss, hospitals are not providing the cashless facility. What should I do? How many of you heard this particular question? How many of you actually heard this question? I'm actually able to see you all. I'm actually able to see you all. Right? Many of us. Okay. So now let me just come back to our discussion here. Okay. See, does that mean, like, no, does it mean, like, no, you have taken the policy that means hospital should honor your policy? It may be, it may not be, right? Okay. And looking from their perspective, because I do have the friends who are working in the hospitals, they do have the challenges with them. Okay, it is not that, and most of them what we have seen, it is not that hospitals who are there in the network of list of the people, like, who are there in the network list of I think, yeah, but there in the network list of the hospital of the insurance companies list, they doesn't want to provide the cashless. They do want to provide the cashless because that helps them in actually getting more revenue for them immediately. Okay, you know what is happening? There's so many people who are working on the help desk of the hospitals, and there are a lot of team in the hospitals also getting affected by corona. I don't want to name the hospital. There was one hospital, it was actually 2.5 weeks back. We helped one of our client in finding a bed in that hospital, and they got admitted. And it was just 2 days back. 2 days later, when we actually went to the same hospital, we said, like, we just help out another client to get an bed over there. You know, the cashless facility is not there, and they said, no, you have to pay the fees. You have to pay it in cash, or you have to pay it by card. You know what was the reason? When I actually inquired with the people out there, you know what did they say? The help desk people, the claim processing team also got affected, and they are in quarantine. And you know what he said? If you can send any of the people who can actually process, we don't mind even giving the cashless. This is the reality. And I know, like, most of the hospitals or most of the health front desk people, they'll not be in a position to say these facts. Okay, And at the same time, they do. We have also seen a few of the people, they are saying that like there's a lot of deductions which are actually happening. There are a lot of deductions which are actually happening in your existing health insurance policy because there are so many non-payable items which have been enlisted by IRDA, and none of the insurance companies should pay those non-payable lists. They can't go against IRDA. Okay, and that is the reason why there's a huge study which went on, and the central government has actually asked the IRDA to actually come out with a particular policy to take care of the existing condition where all these things can be payable under your Corona Kavach policy. So that's how this unique health insurance policy, wherein even the non-payable items like PPE kit and then a few vitamins and then few other charges which are actually non-payable under your regular health insurance plan is also being covered. Is being covered under this particular policy. Anybody wants to say anything on this? Do you need do you have a clarity on this, or what do you say? Like, anybody wants to say anything? What do you say? Do you agree to this? Doctor, do you want to say anything on this? You being a doctor, I think probably you are the right person. Probably you can actually say throw a light on this for the benefit of everyone. Dr. Joseph?
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm not a medical doctor. Sorry, I'm PhD. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, great, fantastic, sir. Sir, not an issue. I just saw your name here, so I thought probably you're a doctor, then it will be great. Fine. Anybody else want to say a few things like Prasad here? Do you want to say something here?
వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా ఫ్రీగా చేస్తారా? సోషల్ ఏమంటారు దాన్ని,
Perfect.
సామాజిక సేవ ఉచితంగా చేసే మనసు ఉంది వాళ్ళకి, మనోళ్ళకి.
Yes.
మనోళ్ళు కూడా NGOs కలిగిన వాళ్ళే కదా.
Correct. Excellent.
ఉంటారులే.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right, sir.
అనుకుంటున్నాం కానీ వాళ్ళు ఇష్టం లేని వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా చేసుకుంటే అట్లా.
Correct. Done.
ఏమంటారు?
Yes, sir. Sir, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Andy. It's been so nice with your feedback on this. Sir, we'll go to the next question, which we actually got.
అవన్నీ నేనేం మాట్లాడిన వాళ్ళతో. నేను మామూలుగా చూస్తాను, పిల్లల్ని 22వ తారీఖు పంపానమ్మా పోయిన నెల మార్చిలో.
Sir.
మరి స్టాఫ్ కూడా వెళ్ళిపోయారు. మా స్టాఫ్ అంతా బయట వేరే స్టేట్స్ వాళ్ళు.
Sir.
వాళ్ళు కూడా భయపడి వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ప్రస్తుతానికి అన్ని లాక్ చేసి పెట్టాము.
Sir.
విజిట్ చేస్తామంటే చూసుకోండి అని కొంచెం శుభ్రం చేపిస్తారు రేపు.
Correct.
శుభ్రం చేపించి నీట్ గా పెట్టారు.
Correct.
అంతేనమ్మా?
Correct.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడ ఆఫీసా? హలో.
Sorry. Okay, sir. I think we'll take more questions and we'll discuss it further. So this is the second thing what we're actually seeing. My company actually provides me the health insurance. Do we still need a corona? And whatever that we have actually did in with our research and with our experience, what we have actually seen, most of the companies are actually providing the health insurance. They are actually providing the health insurance only to the extent maximum average. What you have seen is between 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Okay, so they are not actually giving an insurance which is beyond 5 lakhs. Most of them. Unlike in few people like I think Microsoft and other companies like they are actually giving it even more than 5 lakh rupees. But on an average, it is between 3 lakh and 5 lakh. But what we have actually seen, though it actually covers the 5 lakh coverage or a 3 lakh coverage, but if corona comes in, like it is not coming as an individual policy. It is actually coming as a group effect. This is affecting everyone in the family. Okay, and because of which, like even though you have an 5 lakh coverage which covers everything and there is no exclusions and no co-payments, but still, if 4 people are there in the family and 4 of them get admitted in the hospital, on an average, what we have seen is around 3 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees is something which is the costing which is coming up for the complete treatment of corona when they actually get admitted to the hospital. It depends, like now whenever there is any respiratory problems what they are actually facing, only then the hospital people are actually admitting them, and in those situations, yes. But if it is coming to the entire family and you have only 3 lakh rupee of coverage, then 4 people into 5 lakh rupee, 20 lakh rupee, how do we actually going to pay it? And this is like a small parachute kind of thing wherein you can actually have the coverage in place and you can still have the confidence and then the peace of mind in place. Okay, so this is about if the company provides the health insurance, even then do we need it? It depends on how much of coverage you already have, only on that. Okay, and if say suppose somebody says my coverage, I do have my personal, also have my personal insurance in place, so do I still need health insurance? So it again depends. Now let me just come back again. Even though you have your corporate insurance, you have your personal insurance, but if it is not covering your entire family, if it is not sufficient enough to cover your entire family, this is the best policy you can go for. Okay. So this is the third question what we actually faced. And then the fourth question, taking Corona Kavach policy is enough for my family health insurance? This is one unique question because most of the people have actually not, it is less than, I think, I don't remember the statistics, I think it is less than 5% of the population only have got insurance, and they doesn't have the complete insurance. They have a little bit of 3 or 5 lakhs of insurance in place, health insurance I'm talking about. Okay, and so taking only the Corona Kavach policy, will that really suffice? It might cover you as a short term only to cover you and your family against corona. But if you want to have a long-term policy and a consistent policy in place, you should have your regular family health insurance also in place. If you're not having your regular family health insurance in place, probably you can just start off with Corona Kavach, or you can have your regular policy, have the Corona Kavach as an additional coverage in place to increase the coverage. Okay, so this is what we actually recommend most of the people, and it actually depends on if they have any pre-existing conditions. Because even if there was a unique question which was asked by one of my client's friend. Okay, what he said, I already he underwent. He was affected by corona, and then after that he got even cured, and now he's asking, can I have a Corona Kavach policy? No, people who already got affected and cured, they can't be covered under Corona Kavach policy. It has been detailed out by IRDA in that. Okay, in the policy wordings, it has been detailed by IRDA. Okay, and coming to the next, same policy benefits across all the companies. If it is same policy benefits, which choose? If it is going to be same, then which company is the best company to choose? Now this is a really unique question. The reason because we are let me be very frank and upfront with you. We are not going to promote any company over here. Now we are going to criticize any company over here. Okay, the policy structure and the benefits have been given by IRDA. Okay, the regulator, and they have actually given it to every insurance company, and they said you need to underwrite on your own. That means they have to define the conditions on what conditions they are going to accept the policy, accept the risk of the particular person under the policy, number one. At the same time, what is the premium they are going to decide. So the premiums of different insurance companies are going to be different. Okay, and the conditions of coverages are going to be different. There are few companies which actually said if anybody is having a comorbid conditions. Comorbid means like somebody who's already having diabetes or a kind of a BP, high blood pressure, and and few other pre-existing conditions. If somebody is already having asthma is one more. Okay, if somebody is already having those pre-existing conditions, so few companies are not accepting it. Okay, so you have to declare it. If you have not declared in the proposal form and you have taken the policy, tomorrow if there is a claim and they got to know that there is a pre-existing comorbid conditions, then they are going to deny your claim. Okay, This is one. And there are few companies which are actually giving the least cost. The lowest premium has been given by few of the companies, okay, when compared to the rest. Okay, and when we actually look into that particular company, the process of taking the policy, like we need to fill up an application form. There is no online facility which is given. Even though it is given in few of the cases, it is not probably working. I don't know, probably there could be some technical hitch which is out there, because there is a very short time which is given to all insurance companies to launch the product, because it was on 26th of June when IRDA said this is the standard conditions which all the insurance company policies should come out with this particular policy, and they have to do it. Okay, they have to launch this particular product. This was on 26th of June, and they said the policy need to be launched by 10th of July. So they had very less time to come out with their infrastructure, to come out with their facilities in place. So though it was on 10th of June, most of the people have actually launched the product. The companies have launched the product, but it has actually taken a little more time for them to actually accept the risk. Okay, so even though people have paid their premium, given their proposal forms, the policies got issued a little late. Okay, because the system was not in place. Okay, so I actually categorize which is the best insurance company. I categorize I actually have tried to evaluate it on two parameters. Okay, the first one is on the ease of taking the policy, how easy it is in taking the policy. This is the first point. Okay, because there is a 15 days waiting period. The faster you take, the faster you can actually finish off your waiting period. Okay, this is number one. The reason and moreover, if at all, even if somebody gets their symptoms during the first 15 days, okay, and then probably they got hospitalized after 15 days, or they probably got testing done, the corona testing done after 15th day, but the symptoms are even before, during this 15 days waiting period, even then the claim is not payable. Is not payable. So the quicker that you take the policy, the better you have the coverage in place. Okay, so that's the primary thing. Don't look into the premiums. Premiums are more or less like probably it's a 500 rupees difference or 1,000 rupees difference from each company. Okay, make any great difference, but the difference makes if somebody is not starting the policy, because after the 15 days only the coverage starts. So the faster you take, the better it is. This is number one. Okay. The second, how many of the insurance companies can actually, or the insurance company should be in a position to give you the policy. The claim processing should be done much faster. The claim processing is going to be a challenge. Then the real reason of why you have taken the policy is actually gone. Okay. So this is the second point on which we need to evaluate. And then based on these 2 points, we actually recommend if you have this is a forum on which we will not be able to say anything about a specific company or a specific product. If you have any yeah, I think somebody is talking. Yeah, okay, fine. If anybody has got a question and they want an answer for this, you can actually touch base on my team with my team, and we'll be in a position to come back to you, and then we can actually help you out in choosing the best company for you. Okay, right? And so this is about the details of what we are actually trying to discuss here on with the Corona Kavach policy. And any questions? Now the door is open for everyone, and people you want to discuss on any particular point on this, or you have any queries on this, we are here. The door is open. Oh, my beloved friend Yatri is also there. Hi Giri. He's also my client since I think the initial days of my business started, I think from 2010. I think Giri Garu, I think you are also been there since 2010 2011, right? Okay, you can actually unmute and talk.
2010, sir.
2010, right.
2010.
So how was the journey and మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది మా సర్వీసెస్ since 10 years you have been with us?
సార్ మన దగ్గర ఉన్న గొప్పతనం ఏంటంటే ఫాలోఅప్ సార్ మెయిన్. వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర లేనిది మన దగ్గర ఉన్నది అదొకటే సార్ మెయిన్. ఎందుకంటే ఫాలోఅప్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కస్టమర్ కి. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్ తో మాట్లాడుతున్న ఫీలింగ్ అంటారు మీతో మాట్లాడితే, అది మెయిన్ మనకు కావాలి.
Excellent. Now, your feedback means a lot for us because that actually matters. See, it is not just selling the policies. Like now, whenever there is a need of help, whenever there is a claim, that's when we actually turn up. Probably if all my team, like now, if there are two situations which comes up, like now, there is a claim and then we have a situation wherein we have a claim and we have a person who is actually asking to take their policy. We always give the top priority for the claim. Because claim processing is what actually makes us different. It is not the product, it is not the insurance company. That's the reason why we actually declared ourselves right in front of the in starting of this particular webinar. We do not represent any insurance company. We do not represent. We only represent you. If you want a specific requirement of your insurance, we try to say where it is and we recommend that. We don't try to sell, and we never even follow up, or we never go beyond behind a particular person and we pester them to take the policies. We never do that. I think Sunil ji will be the right person to actually answer this. Sunil ji, आप कभी देखे हैं मुझे like सर ये पॉलिसी लो वो पॉलिसी लो regularly update करना ये करना वो करना? I think Sunil ji आप you can actually unmute and actually
नहीं आप नहीं बोले एक दफा भी मुझे। मैं आपको हमेशा मैं इसको फोन कर देता हूँ बस, और कुछ नहीं
sir. And he's such a sweet person. Like now he always get like now a little bit worried like now when he calls up and my phone is completely engaged. And actually I told him yesterday when he actually called up, I said, Sunil, you just be on the call now at least 2 times in 1 month. 2 times 1 month we are going to have it. It's a bi-monthly webinar we are going to have, and you can casual log me here because there's always some or other claims which comes up, or some or other person who is in a needy situation, and we actually go out and then we try to help them. So this is how we actually differ ourselves from the rest of the people who are in the market. We don't work on any sales targets. We are not focused on sales. We are on a quest to service the society, and the path what we have chosen is insurance. And that's the reason we want to just go beyond insurance, and that's the reason get more clarity about what requirements you have, what exactly is your existing coverage benefits that you have, and have the confidence in place. So that's the only reason why we say why we even promote ourselves on this particular meeting. Rupa ma'am, are we done with it? I don't know how much of time is left out.
Sir, I would like to ask our participant.
Okay.
Are they clear with the policy thing? Are they clear with the Corona Kavach policy?
Okay, let me just pick up few people who are there. I could see Mr. Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh, how do you feel like now? How do you feel about this webinar which we are connected? Is this a good thing for everyone, or how do you feel like? Yeah, Mr. Ganesh. I think.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Dr. Joseph. Yeah. Sir, what is your feedback about this program?
Yeah. What I'm saying is, I think you are short and the premiums are how much. One more thing is regarding comorbidities, which companies give and which do not give. I mean, just I want to say.
Oh, sir, I would love
Comorbidities,
to
and other one is premiums. How much is the premium for 5 lakhs or 3 lakhs? What you are saying? Did you show the table? I don't know because I was
Sir, if actually I look at from the sales perspective, a sales guy will just jump in and say, this is the premium, this is the policy, this is the proposal form, you just fill it up, we'll do it. Sir, this is the forum on which we will not be discussing on the premiums, but my team will come back to you. You can actually give me your number. My team will be definitely contacting you. We will definitely help you in choosing the right option. Great. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And we do have anybody wants to share your feedback on this? Like Prasad, do you want to share something here?
Nothing, sir. Things are going good.
So how do you feel? Like how is it going on? Like
It's a very nice interactive session where we got most of the information. I think it's better if anyone want to give, means if we want to give if we want to give you numbers and all, I think any mail or any way to give that would be better.
Okay.
After this call.
Oh, my very good friend, and he's not like a friend. He's like my big brother. My big brother Karunakar is actually on the webinar, and whenever I start anything, like now he's a guy, he's a person who's always there. Karunakar garu, are you there on the call?
Nice, nice talking to you, Rajshekharan, and all of you.
Sir, thanks.
It was very pleasant connecting with all you people, and very nice information on a pandemic subject, and it's very nice. And I would like to get such kind of webinars continued in further also.
Sir, it's so nice. It's so nice, and I'm actually putting up the Facebook, the LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube links. You can actually follow us out there. We are putting a lot of content which will be useful for the society, which will be useful for your friends, your relatives, and your loved ones. I request each of you to please help your loved ones, your people, your family members, to get the best out of the existing facilities and the coverages which are out there in insurance. And without any inclination towards any company, we'll be out there to help them out in choosing. Okay, even if they have the existing insurance advisor who is supporting them, we will never, this is against our principle, we never ask any person to go away from their existing health insurance advisor. Okay, because they are the people who have been helping you out, and we try to add up something onto that, but we never try to break up your relation with your existing health insurance advisors. We love them, we respect the people, because these are the people who are actually doing real service to the society. I feel this is a noble profession, and we want to give out more. We want to really give out more to the society through this particular program. And that's the main reason why we said, why we actually named our program as Get More. And the real reason and the real the real motto of this is, we want to provide the clarity with confidence. And with that clarity, everyone who actually gets into this webinar, they should be in a position to get a little confidence. At least we should be in a position to alleviate or to increase up their confidence levels. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. You will be getting a detail about the next topic. And as you people have actually chosen it, I'm ending the poll here. I'm sharing the results. So the next webinar topic is going to be health insurance for parents. Is it really possible? Parental health insurance. This is the next topic, and we'll see you soon. 2 weeks later, we'll see you in next month, second week. This is on second Saturday and fourth Saturday of every month. You will have this webinar starting from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's only an hour. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for joining. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And my team will reach out, and you can also reach out to my team at 8790 697974. 8790 697974. This is my team number. You can actually contact on that number. Miss Pratibha will be there. She'll be actually helping you out, and she'll actually take the inputs from your side, and she'll segregate the requirements, and we have an internal discussion within the team, and then we present the solutions, and then we come out with the solutions. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for being there. You can follow up us on Facebook, on our LinkedIn, on our YouTube channel, on your Instagram channel. We are all out there on social media, and this is the first time that we are actually coming out with this webinar series. And thanks a lot for being there. And I thank Lord Ganesha for helping me out in starting it on Vinayak Chaturthi. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful webinar which we had. We got to know a detailed detailing about the Corona Kavach policy. I thank Rajshekar sir from behalf of everybody, and I thank all our participants for making out 1 hour taking out time from your busy schedule. It is a Ganesh Chaturthi, and you have taken out time for our webinar. Thanks a lot. I thank all the participants, and I thank Rajshekar sir for giving the detailed explanation about the Corona Kavach policy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I wish all of you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. All of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Madam, Rupa madam.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today's PPT, can you send to our WhatsApp PPT today's? Possible. I don't know.
Sir, the complete thing has been shooted, and we are going to host it on our YouTube channel, and we'll send it.
Yeah.
It will be available to you.
YouTube. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's
Yes,
so
sir.
nice. It's so nice having you on this session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Didi. Thank you, Didi.